This is a 2012 Adam 4-horse gooseneck. It is just a straight up 4-horse, nothing super fancy, good solid trailer. To be perfectly honest, the trailer came here not so solid. It came out of New York, and the axle box, which I'll be glad to show you in this video, was very, very rusted. We sent it off to our welder, who created a new axle box, and while we had the axles dropped, we went ahead and put new axles on it. Seemed like the smartest thing to do while they were already down. But again, it's a 2012 Adam 4-horse head-to-head. It is 7'6" tall, 7 foot wide. Cannot remember the length right this second, but if you check my website, you'll see the specs on the trailer. It has a stainless steel nose. It does have some added sliding windows, which we like. There are small windows at the heads of each horse. I'm going to show you a little staining on the trailer, but everything structurally is excellent. Just a little staining there. Also, you'll see on the running boards here, they're not quite as shiny as they could be. A little staining on the sides. It has been acid washed, and that is what we're left with. We have some tree rubs here on the side, pretty normal on a used trailer. They may come out with some rubbing compound, but I just don't have the staff here today to take care of that for us. Full-size escape door on the street side. Again, these are brand new axles, brand new tires, and brand new wheels on the trailer. I've taken some pictures of the underside, so check those out on my website, because I'm not sure how well I can get this video to show you. There we go. There's that brand new axle box and brand new axles under the trailer. We are just super cautious and didn't want to have any issues here. It is an all aluminum trailer, but on any all aluminum trailer, your axle box and your coupler are going to be steel. Full width rear ramp with top curtains with sliding windows. Load light in the back here. Again, straight up 4-horse. Nothing fancy, no stud gates. It does not make box stalls. We have airflow dividers. The pads in the trailer are really in very good shape. A few nicks here and there, nothing major. Floor is in good shape. Nice sliding windows everywhere. 6 pop-up roof vents for good airflow. Interior lights, load lights, running lights, everything there works in good shape. Again, a little staining in the extrusion. You can't see it from a little further away, but as we get closer to the trailer, you do see that staining a little bit. New tires, new wheels, new axles. Side ramp with top curtain with sliding window. Bar here over the side ramp, and there's one also that can go over the escape door. 7'6" tall, 7 foot wide. Full-length running boards. You can see the graphics are aged just a little bit here. Nothing major. This is really the only dent or ding that I see to speak of here on this running board. Otherwise, no major dents or dings anywhere. Maybe a little bit on that fender now that I'm looking back this direction. Again, nothing major there, no accidents. The salt on the road had just eaten up the axle box, which now we've seen. 4 saddle racks in the dressing room. It is a 4-foot dressing room. Tons of bridle hooks. Sliding windows here in the nose. Here's some parts that I do not believe belong to this trailer. I'm pretty sure these are 4-star parts, but I've left them in here just to be on the safe side. Carpet in the nose, on the drop sheet, and on the floor. Again, this trailer is really sound at this point. Did not come here so sound. And we want to make sure they are absolutely 100%. So it did get a new axle box, brand new axles, new wheels, and new tires on this 2012 Adam 4-horse head-to-head. Also a new spare and new spare wheel, new manual jack. The trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see the photos and specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.